Welcome back. What results did you find in your rising sea level experiments? Let's have a look at my two setups here. You might remember that I drew a mark representing the level of the water in my Arctic setup and my Antarctic setup. You might also recall that the ice was floating in the Arctic setup, but on land in the Antarctic setup. This represents the sea ice of the Arctic and the ice sheets on land in the Antarctic. Well, we can clearly see that the level has actually risen significantly in the setup representing the Antarctic ice sheet, but it hasn't risen really at all in the setup representing the Arctic sea ice. Did you work out the reason why? The answer is quite simple. Ice actually expands when it freezes. However, the amount of ice above the water when it floats is roughly the same as the amount of volume that the ice expands by. So when it melts, the volume of the water is more or less the same. This explains why the melting ice hasn't changed the level of the water in my container. However, the ice representing the ice sheets of Antarctica is completely different. All of that ice is above the level of the water on land, so that when it melts, the water trickles down and raises the level of the container. This simple experiment showcases some of the processes that are taking place at the North and South polar regions. The melting of the sea ice around Antarctica and the Arctic regions has relatively little impact on the rising sea levels of our world. However, the melting of the ice sheets of Antarctica and to a lesser extent Greenland and other areas around the world has a massive impact on the rising sea levels of the oceans. Since Charles Darwin's journey in 1831, sea level is thought to have risen around 20 centimetres. However, with the ongoing melting of ice sheets around the world, particularly the Antarctic ice sheet, it's thought that global sea levels could rise as much as 70 metres by the year 2100. Imagine the impact that will have on coastal cities, coastal communities, and coastal habitats. Did your results match mine? Let's see what you found out and who won those three £50 Amazon voucher prizes.